Hi, welcome to SportsMed Doctor. I'm Dr. Siddharth Unithan. I'm a sports medicine physician. Today I'll be speaking about Romain Grosjean's F1 crash. So during the Bahrain Grand Prix, which occurred recently, Romain Grosjean had a very bad accident. So what exactly happened was when his car collided with one another F1 car and he went and rammed into the triple deck barrier. Now usually the barrier should not give way, but in this case the barrier gave way and he went through the barrier, and where the car split into two and it erupted into flames. Now usually in most cases, in the olden cases, this would have caused a certain death to the driver, but in his case the driver escaped. He had just had some burns in his hands, that's it. So if you ask me what it is, it's a technological miracle basically, this event. So let's get into the optics. So he was moving at a speed of around 215 kilometers per hour when he collided with the other car, and immediately he veered off and hit the barrier. So at the point of impact with brakes was almost 200 kilometers per hour, and the force with which he hit the barrier was around 53 G, with G being the G force. Basically it's a form of acceleration, it's a value for acceleration. So he hit at that much force. Now we'll come into what saved him basically. So the technological miracle is the halo system. So the halo system is a curved titanium bar which is attached into the cockpit. So if you see, it is right in front of the cockpit, and it is used for basically for protecting the head of the driver. When it was introduced, it weighed around 7 kilograms, and by 2018-19 they made it around 9 kilograms. So what does this halo system do is it can hold a lot of weight, and it protects the impact force. It protects the driver from the impact force so that his head doesn't get injured. So what else saved Grosjean? So basically his suit and helmet. His suit and helmet is made up of fireproof material which prevents getting burnt, and as well as there is an oxygen system inside the F1 car, so that even if it is surrounded by fire, he is able to breathe. So they do not die due to lack of oxygen because the fire takes up all the oxygen. Now in his case, luckily because of all the three materials, he just received some burns in his hands, that's it. And that's why I call it as a technological miracle. Now the funny part of this technological miracle, the halo system, was it was hated by everybody. When it was introduced first, Lewis Hamilton, the F1 champion, he hated it. He said that it is one of the worst implementation in a F1 history. And Grosjean himself, he said that he was getting motion sickness and he hated the system. But now he's a changed man. He himself told that this is one of the most important systems which has been brought in by F1. So why I took up this video mainly is, one, to speak about the halo system and the technological miracle out there, which many people who do not follow F1 to know about it. Second, what is interesting is there are medical rules. So these rules, people do not like it, fans do not like it, players do not like it, but it is for such situations where there is a risk to the player to mitigate those. So there is always risks, and these rules apply. So in such case, the F1 had made sure that the titanium rod, so basically the halo system, protected these F1 drivers. But similarly, there in other sports also there are such rules, and these medical rules are to help the athlete, and it may seem boring, it may seem tiresome, but it is for the benefit of the players. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have got any comments, please do comment below. Thank you for watching the video. I have some exciting news about the channel. We'll be putting out a different video for that to explain, so please do watch out for that video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.